Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today we're going to be tackling a big one, the INSRI PUBADJ17. That's the Rhode Island Public Adjuster Exam. Basically, this test is the ultimate check of your ability to legally represent policyholders when assessing and negotiating their insurance claims. It's absolutely crucial for your career, so let's dive into exactly how you can master it. So, let me ask you straight up, are you truly ready for test day? I mean, it's one thing to casually know the concepts, right? But it is an entirely different beast to sit through a grueling 120-minute exam where literally every single question counts. And to put that pressure into perspective, take a look at this. The official stats are actually pretty striking. Roughly 50% of candidates fail this exam. But here's the kicker. It's usually not even a lack of knowledge. For half the people taking this test, they fail simply due to sheer test anxiety and a lack of confidence when they're put under the clock. Moving to Section 1, Overcoming High Failure Rates. Preparation is key. The good news, you absolutely don't have to be part of that failing statistic. The official 2026 guide gives us a really straightforward two-step blueprint to crush that test anxiety. Step 1, get a solid idea of the covered topics so you aren't completely blindsided. And Step 2, rigorously apply what you know by taking multiple choice practice tests. It really is that simple. Next up is Section 2, the web simulation solution, simulating the real environment. To do this right, you really have two main study paths to choose from. First, there's exam mode, which drops you right into a high-pressure, incredibly realistic simulation of test day. Then, on the other hand, you have practice mode. This is a highly customized learning environment where, well, you get to pull all the strings. Which brings us to Section 3, customizing your practice mode, tailoring your study session. In practice mode, you have total control of the whole shebang. You can isolate specific custom topics to really zero in on your weakest subjects. You can also adjust your timer anywhere from a quick 30-minute sprint all the way up to the actual 120-minute exam duration. Plus, you can even scale your own custom passing score from 30% all the way up to the official 80% benchmark to slowly build your confidence over time. Now, this feature right here is a real game changer. By activating learning mode, the simulator essentially becomes a real-time feedback loop. So instead of anxiously waiting until the very end of the test to see how you did, you instantly review the correct answers and learn from your mistakes right there in the moment. Section 4, studying anywhere with mobile, your perfect study companion. You know, we aren't all chained to our desks, right? So the official mobile app is amazing because it gives you full offline availability. You can study on the go, and the second you reconnect to the internet, it automatically syncs right back up with your web simulator. It even has this really cool auto-learning and auto-swipe feature for blazing fast navigation, plus a handy bookmark button so you can save those incredibly stubborn, difficult questions for later review. Finally, we reach Section 5, your path to passing, securing your certification. With all these tools, you never actually have to guess if you're ready. The platform continuously tracks your correct answers and analyzes your performance broken down by topic. It literally generates a specific percentage score to prove your exact readiness. Once your scores consistently hit that target, well, that test anxiety is completely replaced by absolute confidence. So the only question left for you is this. Will you leave your success up to chance, or will you use these official 2026 tools to actually secure your certification and launch your career? To get your hands on the online web simulator and that awesome mobile app we just talked about, definitely visit easyquiz.com. Thanks so much for joining this explainer, and seriously, ask yourself, are you ready to go claim your certification?